American Sign Language.
Ride the logs, keeping their balance with their hands. Everybody ride. 1, 2, 3, 4, ride. Push. Saw. Hey, lift.
And it's interesting to note that back when they were figuring out what to do with the bridge, it was proposed to have a series of causeways and bridges from Sheboygan in the Lower Peninsula.
Above the river, we've seen bald eagles here in the past week. One side.
And then get in the water, get ready to meet the next route? Yeah.
The waterproofing compound that was used was something called Scotchgard. And I've been teaching classes in water resources and environmental chemistry, and we've always talked about the banning of Scotchgard as one of the major events around 2000.
Come on in, water's fine. That's cold!
And so, basically the water needs to meet Clean Water Act standards just like any discharge would, and you have to have the permit for that. And so right now, the compact litigation has passed, and it's going to be interesting to see if there isn't Clean Water Act litigation, Clean Air Act litigation. The state of Illinois is very concerned. It's in the same airshed, same watershed, et cetera.